Hello, welcome to Timeless Foodies and a very happy Mother's Day. On this occasion, I would like to share very tasty, easy recipe that you can make it for your mom. I'm very excited to share this recipe because it's very easy and all of us can make it because it is a bread recipe. It's a bread halwa. You can see double Ka Meetha. So let's get started. Happy Mother's Day, mommy, love you. So I've taken here 6 slices of bread. And we'll cut these sides of the bread initially. We'll be using the sides of the bread as well, we're not wasting it. So here I've removed all the sides and then cut them into squares, all the bread slices. This is done. So also making the sides of the bread to small pieces. So we'll leave this aside so that it'll dry a little. Now we have taken here a pan, then I'm using a clarified butter over here or ghee. So I have taken almost 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. So firstly we'll fry the bread's sides until they are nice and brown in color. Lots of ghee will go into this. So this is done, so we'll dish that out, and then again I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of ghee and adding the remaining bread pieces. So we'll fry this until they are nice and brown on both the sides. This is done. So we'll dish this out. We'll use the same pan. So I'm adding here almost 1 glass of water, and the measurement of the sugar is for 6 slices. I've taken 6 full tablespoon of sugar. So after that we'll start boiling it, and also I have added 4 crushed green cardamom for nice aroma. And if you want a color, you can also add food color or saffron if you want, or you can leave it as it is as per your preference. Here I'm adding few saffron and also food color because my saffron is quite old, I think, because it's not releasing color. So I've added here red color. You can add red or orange color. Now goes the bread pieces. So we'll cook this until it absorbs the entire sugar syrup, and adding little bit of ghee on the topping. This is done. Now you can add raisins on the top and serve it hot to your mom or anyone, your mom-in-law, anyone. So this is done. If you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share this recipe with your family and friends, and do try it and let me know in the comment section how your mom liked it. So take care of yourself. See you in another video. This is Pallavi signing off. Bye bye. God bless.